Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix MSI monitor settings grayed out. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you could do here is to disable echo mode if you have it enabled. So how do you exactly do that? First is you want to look at the buttons at the back or underneath your monitor. Now, what you're looking for is going to be the OK or the center button that you see here on the navigation. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from then on, you should be able to see the OSD setup or the navigation keys or pop-up here. Now, you want to use the buttons or navigation keys that you see here to move around here. So you want to go to your settings. Now, under settings, you should be able to see the option for this one. So let's just go here. Now, what you're looking for is going to be echo mode here, and you want to go ahead and turn it off. Now, once you turn it off, see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, what you could do is to reset your monitor. Now, resetting it or making it or setting this to its factory settings can actually solve your issue. So you could go ahead and go to settings again. So go ahead and do the three steps. But instead of choosing echo mode, you want to go and click select reset here, and you want to go ahead and choose yes here to reset your monitor. Now, for older monitors, it might be different for you. So what you could do is you want to go ahead and press the middle button, and you want to go to other, and you want to choose reset, and just select yes here for in order for it to reset your monitor. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.